So hi guys, I have here flashcards that contains a question and answer. So I will read the question and I'll guess the answer. So let's start. So first is the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begin. So I guess the answer is waterfall model. Yes, that's correct. So let's go to the second. So the agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increment called ad, I, I don't know the answer. Sprint. So sprint guys. So I have one correct and one also I have wrong answers. So let's go to the third questions. So compare waterfall and agile model in time to market. So I think waterfall is longer, and then the agile is the shorter, and also it is flexible. Okay, faster. So it's correct, guys. So let's move to the fourth. So what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So the weaknesses of the agile model is requires close collaboration. Oh, but I only answered one question, so need to learn more about waterfall and also an agile. So let's go to the fifth questions. So what are the strengths of the waterfall model? So the strength of waterfall model is clear structure, predictability, good for large project, and also it is easy to manage. That's the strengths of the waterfall model. Yes, it's correct. I correct three guys. So let's go to the sixth question. Fifth. So what are the strengths of the agile model? So the agile model, it is flexible, I think. Flexible. Flexibility. Okay. So I only answer one, pero there are lots of strengths of agile model. So let's move to the seventh questions. So what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? I have no idea about this. So let's it is inflexibility. So in inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing. So that's the weaknesses of waterfall model. So let's move to the ninth questions. So what are the key agile methodologies? So the, uh, what are the key agile methodologies? So I don't I have no idea about the answers. So Scrum and extreme programming, that's the key agile methodologies. And uh, this is the ninth question pala. Sorry guys. So what are the two distinct approaches of software development? Two distinct approaches. I have no idea guys. Two. Sorry guys. Two distinct. So the agile and the waterfall. That's the two distinct two distinct approaches of software development. Sorry, I forgot. So this is the last question, and I hope I can answer this. So what are the typical pace of waterfall model? The typical pace, I have no answer. Require analysis, system design. So okay guys, so I answer 4 I think. Then I have wrong is 6. So I have 10 is sila guys. So that's all. And also guys, that's all. Thank you.